Let your heart be light. From now on, our troubles will be out of sight. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Make the Yuletide gay. From now on, our trouble will be miles away. As in olden days, happy golden days are yours. Faithful friends who are near to us, gather near to us once more. If the Lord allows, hang a shining star upon the highest bough, and have yourself a merry little Christmas. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Have yourself a merry little Christmas now.
Putting this on and being here to provide all the food and all the gifts, and it's so wonderful. And so we have special presents for the Johnson family.
That's them. Here he is. Here's the wolf.
Just so the families know, I think you guys are getting pretty familiar with WASAC. So if there's ever anything that you think we could be supportive of as an organization, anything you guys are doing, you know, feel free to call, get a hold of Alana. We're easy to track down. So, and actually, I keep talking like I'm WASAC, but I'm actually a. Right, but yeah, so just so everyone knows, feel free to call anytime. Merry Christmas.